So our learning development is definitely much more geared towards continuous learning, where it's less about sort of like getting degree requirements and more about like creating a culture of um, you know learning and growing as individuals and being curious about exploring new territory. So we have, I believe it's 3,000 a year to spend on learning and development, and that does not have to be through formal coursework. So folks have used it for online programs like Skillshare type things, as well as sort of more ad hoc classes. And so we're pretty flexible and generous about how folks spend that. And I think it's kind of cool is that some folks have actually sort of used that opportunity to develop skill sets that they have actually ended up, making into their day job. So, for example, we had one person at our company who was in a role where he was interacting with, our event hosts in our sort of supply world, but really found that he had a real passion for data and analytics, and grew into that space so that now he's actually our first dedicated business analyst type role, and working on sort of like creating instrumentation and conducting analysis on various parts of our business in terms of getting us those metrics and insights. So definitely a space where I think we really like to have a culture where we want people to grow and develop, and that doesn't necessarily just mean sort of like building upward momentum into management. I think that also means exploring new types of ways to connect different disciplines together.